SRS is a company that has about 20 years in history, just shy of that, and we're a company that produces audio and voice post-processing enhancements for a variety of devices. The company really concentrates in 4 core markets. We're in the television segment, the PC segment, the mobile segment, which includes a lot of the devices that you'll see here at Mobile World Congress, and then also the automotive segment. We license our audio and voice technologies in approximately 150 million devices every year, and have utilized that technology in over 1 billion devices that have shipped into the market.
Quintel were a spin-out of a company called Kinetic, that's with a Q at the beginning and end. They're a UK Ministry of Defence research laboratory. We spun out 2007 with a technology which allows multiple operators or multiple services to share the same antenna array. This is a base station antenna, panel antenna, that you deploy on a tower. The thinking behind it was there's more and more bands, more and more operators, more and more technologies coming out, but only a finite number of sites, be it zoning, wind loading, this kind of thing. So we provide a solution to alleviate the problem of, let's say, LTE deployment, operator sharing, and these things as we go forward. Yeah, I think ultimately, active antennas are the future, but there's something like 10 million antennas, passive antennas deployed out there, supporting legacy technologies and operations. Moving to active antennas is a revolutionary jump. We can offer, if you like, the transition, the evolution from passive to active. So, how do you deliver beamforming smart antenna technologies without having to go to swapping out all your infrastructure, moving overnight to active antennas? We can provide that stepping stone.
The idea that the consumer is now in control of content, that the consumer has the power really to consume anything that they want at any time, has become a reality in most of the major markets around the world, and we see a trend moving towards that even in emerging markets like China and India and other areas. But what's great about what we see with these technologies is that there's one common thread, that the video delivery has been focused on and utilized in a way that now can deliver the consumer a robust experience. And naturally, audio and voice go with that experience, and the two natural things in any type of mobile device, whether it's a mobile phone or a tablet, is customers want to hear when they're talking to someone else on the other end, and they also want to consume their content in a way that's meaningful with a robust experience. So a lot of the intellectual property that we've developed over the years, especially as it relates to surround headphone technologies, to audio post-processing, to speaker enhancements, specifically designed in a very efficient way that fits on a variety of silicon that's very germane to the mobile phone business. We find it very exciting because it's now becoming one of freedom of choice, and the customers ultimately have the power to choose what they like.